In this video, we will show you how to view your academic advisement report from SOLUS Student Center. Please note we will be using the development environment of SOLUS Student Center for demonstration purposes. This screen illustrates the home page of SOLUS Student Center. Here, you will select the tile called Academic Progress. The left-hand navigation menu contains links to components within the Academic Progress tile of SOLUS Student Center. If applicable, the Academic Advisement Report will automatically generate on this screen under the Academic Progress navigation. This report details the satisfaction of requirements needed to graduate using text, symbols, and bar graphs. To return to the main page of SOLUS Student Center, select SOLUS Student Center in the top left corner.